Good morning, everyone. Hope you had a wonderful sleep. Today, the morning is very bright and promising, and I have something to share with you. The topic of my poem today is Luxury and Lies Have Huge Maintenance Cost, whereas truth and simplicity are self maintained. Luxury in life is most desired. With the heavy cost, it's wired. Every item that you buy and use add to expenses and misuse. It's not always in terms of money. It's your stress, anxiety, honey. When you lie to your community, you try to cover up also fake leaving humanity. Have you ever tried to be true and honest? You can lead a life cool, stress free, being modest. What charm to be an open book. Everyone can peep and have a look. We are all so simple. We get satisfaction ample. Every time you are in action, you get complete satisfaction. You don't have to remember your lies. Why are you dealing? Know what's and why. God created you to be the best. Be crystal clear in your behavior. Leave the rest. Trust takes years to build and seconds to break, forever to repair. There are no retake. Lies are fake, so don't pretend. They will break the trust forever. No way to mend. If you want luxury in life, learn to help others and enjoy the kindness and survive. Work hard for your goals, honest ways, and perfect role. If you are simple and true, no one can beat you. No one can beat you. This is Sangeeta Saxena signing off. See you tomorrow with a new bright idea.